Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone considering a new credit card: why you might want to think twice before choosing a Capital One credit card. While Capital One offers a range of cards with various benefits and rewards, there are some significant drawbacks that could impact your financial goals and spending habits. Potential drawbacks of Capital One credit cards. First off, let's talk about potentially high annual fees. When it comes to choosing a credit card, one of the most critical factors to consider is the cost. While rewards and benefits may initially seem enticing, the fees associated with the card can significantly impact its overall value. In the case of Capital One credit cards, higher fees are a potential drawback that could make them less appealing compared to other options in the market. Capital One offers a range of credit cards tailored to different lifestyles and financial needs. However, many of these cards come with annual fees that can range from $95 to $395. These fees are common among travel and rewards cards, where cardholders can earn points or miles for their spending. While the rewards may seem attractive, it's essential to weigh them against the cost of the annual fee to determine whether the card is worth it for you. For some consumers, the high annual fees associated with Capital One credit cards can be a deal breaker. If you're someone who doesn't spend enough to justify the fee or who prefers fee-free options, these cards may not be the best fit for your financial situation. Paying a hefty annual fee for benefits you don't fully utilize can negate any value you might gain from rewards or perks, making it a losing proposition in the long run. Moreover, the annual fees on Capital One cards can eat into the rewards you earn, further reducing their overall value. For example, if you have a card with a $395 annual fee and earn $500 worth of rewards in a year, you're essentially only netting $105 in value after accounting for the fee. This means you'd need to spend even more to offset the cost of the fee and truly come out ahead. Additionally, some consumers may be deterred by the idea of committing to a credit card with a high annual fee, especially if they're uncertain about their ability to maximize the card's benefits. While travel and rewards cards often come with perks like airline credits, hotel discounts, and airport lounge access, these benefits may not be useful for everyone. If you're not a frequent traveler or don't spend enough in the card's bonus categories, you may struggle to justify the expense of the annual fee. Furthermore, the higher fees associated with Capital One credit cards can make them less accessible to individuals on a tight budget or those looking to minimize their expenses. For consumers who prioritize cost effectiveness and want to avoid unnecessary fees, fee-free or low-fee cards from other issuers may be a more suitable option. By opting for a card with no annual fee or a lower fee, you can enjoy the convenience of a credit card without having to worry about breaking the bank. Another drawback to consider is the limited card benefits. Compared to other issuers, Capital One cards may lack certain benefits that you might prioritize, such as airport lounge access, comprehensive travel insurance, or robust purchase protection. If these benefits are important to you, it's essential to carefully consider whether a Capital One card aligns with your needs. Then there's the issue of higher interest rates. While Capital One offers cards with varying interest rates, some cards may have higher APRs compared to competitors, particularly for individuals with lower credit scores. This means that carrying a balance on a Capital One card could end up being very expensive in the long run, especially if you're unable to pay off your balance in full each month. Additionally, some Capital One cards may lack features that help you build credit effectively. For example, the Capital One Platinum credit card may not offer regular credit limit reviews, which are crucial for individuals looking to establish or improve their credit history. If building credit is a priority for you, this could be a significant drawback to consider. Lastly, there's the issue of specific rewards. If you have particular spending categories where you earn more rewards elsewhere, a Capital One card might not be the best choice for you. For instance, if you spend heavily on groceries, a card from another issuer with a high grocery rewards rate might offer better value for your spending habits. Factors to consider before choosing a Capital One credit card. Now that we've discussed some potential drawbacks, let's talk about what you should consider before making a decision about a Capital One credit card. First and foremost, consider your credit score. While Capital One offers cards for various credit scores, their best rewards and benefits are often reserved for those with excellent credit. If your credit score is less than stellar, you might not qualify for the most lucrative offers from Capital One. Next, think about your spending habits. If you travel frequently or have specific spending categories where you could maximize rewards, it's essential to research those categories and compare Capital One's offerings to those of other issuers. You want to make sure that the rewards and benefits offered by a Capital One card align with your spending patterns and financial goals. Finally, consider your budget. If you have a tight budget and can't afford an annual fee, it might be wise to look for fee-free cards or carefully weigh the value of the rewards against the cost of the annual fee. Remember, the goal is to maximize the value you get from your credit card while minimizing any unnecessary expenses. Conclusion. In conclusion, while Capital One offers a variety of credit cards with different benefits and rewards, they may not be the best fit for everyone. It's crucial to carefully consider the potential drawbacks, such as high annual fees, limited benefits, higher interest rates, and lack of specific rewards, before choosing a Capital One card. Before choosing a Capital One card, it's crucial to carefully consider the cost of the annual fee and whether the benefits justify the expense. For those who don't spend enough to offset the fee or who prefer fee-free options, exploring alternative credit card options may be the best course of action. By prioritizing cost-effectiveness and aligning your card choice with your financial goals, you can make an informed decision that maximizes the value you get from your credit card. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to choose a Capital One credit card depends on several factors specific to your financial situation and spending habits. By considering your credit score, spending habits, and budget, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and maximizes the value you get from your credit card. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on personal finance and credit cards. Until next time, take care and happy spending.